Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Gangote and today's date is 5th August of 2024. My today's topic is noise pollution. Uh, we will see first about noise pollution and then sources of noise pollution. Noise pollution, it means also known as sound pollution and environment pollution. We will see the sources of noise pollution, such as some sources of noise pollution, such as transformation system and industrial activities and natural sources. There are some sources of noise pollution. Transformation system includes such as road traffic and air traffic and railway traffic and ship traffic. Road traffic, it means that car, buses and motorcycles and more vehicles. That can lead to effect on environment of noise pollution. And traffic of vehicles, it can produce noise pollution. It means it produce sounds, so it can causes to environment and human life. And natural sources of noise pollution, like thunderstorm and wildlife like animals, birds. These are the natural sources of noise pollution. And some railway traffic pollution, it can produce high sound frequency. It can causes environment and it can bad effect on environment and it can bad effect on human health. So it is the one of the disadvantage of noise pollution. And noise pollution, industrial noise pollution includes factories and organizations. These are the some example of industrial noise pollution. Factories and organizations provide the high sound, so it can causes to our health, like human health, and it can also bad effect on environment. So these are the some sources of noise pollution. Noise pollution is also known as sound pollution. It can bad effect on environment and some effects of noise pollution on environment and human health. First, we will see how to bad effect how to create bad effect noise pollution on human health. Road traffics and vehicle traffics and railway traffics, these are the produce high sounds, so it can causes and for the bad effect on human health. It creates some diseases to human like heart diseases and heart diseases created from noise pollution. So it can causes to our health, bad effect on our health. And it is noise pollution is also bad effect on environment and wildlife environment, like noise pollution and sound pollution create bad effect on animals and birds, etc. And how to control the noise pollution. we will see the how to control the noise pollution. So we can less use of vehicles and reduce the traffics of railways and cars, buses and road traffics and air traffics. So then we can see the noise pollution is reducing. So these are the some advantages and sources and some key points of noise pollution, etc. Thank you.